All right, what's up? Good morning. Thanks for tuning in. Happy Tuesday. We're ready to rock. We're ready to roll. I do have a few notes before we get into it at 7 a.m. So just more so the global market. So we got the Iran oil situation. That's still the kind of biggest risk space this morning. I am watching a few different tickers. OGI is just popping up. Looks like it wants to get back towards VWAP. But back on Iran, Brent is near $90, WTI around $84 as uncertainty continues around reopening the Strait of Hormuz. Global equities today are kind of mixed. The futures are basically flat this morning. We should be looking out for some energy stocks, airlines, transport, inflation sensitive names on the watch. CPI is tomorrow, so that's a big day with the CPI meeting. So we'll see kind of what happens with that. July CPI dropped Wednesday, and it's going to happen at 8:30 a.m. Eastern tomorrow. So let's see if that causes the SPY to move forward or not. I'm just going to pull up OGI real quick as it is moving here. Um, it is moving right now. I don't believe this is the right OGI. It is the right OGI, but it doesn't seem to. It seems to be stale on Trading View. Yeah, it's pretty delayed on Trading View for whatever reason, but it is trading at 127. Let me switch this for a second for you guys so you can see what's going on. Let me see if I can blow this up. There we go. Okay, so while that is cooking on the screen, just real quick here, ASTS and Rocket Lab are in play after earnings yesterday, so we'll see what happens. ASTS got a little bit rocked yesterday after their earnings, so we'll see what happens. Huge AI earnings tonight with SMCI and CoreWeave. Super Micro reports after the bell, and revenue is expected near the lower end of its 11 billion to 12.5 billion range, but more than 60 billion in new orders. So it looks pretty bullish. As you can see on my screen, OGI is moving just above VWAP, now coming back down. What else we got? CoreWeave is expected to have a 2.56 billion revenue, more than doubling year over year. Options imply roughly 12 to 13% move. So if you're playing options, could be a good potential there with the earnings today. Low float momentum. We got WXM, which is the leader this morning, now trading around 1033 this morning. So watch out for WXM. It's about up around one. It's up around 155% right now, as I'm looking at it. So key thing there, though, there is no no major news or fundamental catalyst on that one from what I'm seeing. So just watch out. Seems a little bit extended on that one. As we're approaching 7 a.m., we'll get right into it and see kind of what's going on. Other than that, we got BW. It's one of the cleaner small cap catalysts today. Popping up on the screen. This is trading around 1186 this morning. And then we got PLLL, another earnings momentum candidate. P3 Health Partners is roughly 25% pre-market after reporting 386 million revenue, up 9% year over year, about 54 million adjusted EBITDA, and raising its full year adjusted EBITDA outlook. So we'll see what's going on. And then finally on the crypto side of things, risk off pullback ahead of the CPI. So I wouldn't be doing too much longs on crypto right now until let's see what happens with tomorrow's CPI news. Bitcoin right now is around 64K. So as we get into 7 a.m. We'll see kind of what's going on here and if there's any opportunity for us to get in. I am looking at OGI right now on the screen, and we'll see if this is an opportunity for us to potentially play. And as of right now, I don't have anything up on my trading. I don't have anything up that I'm trading just yet. So we'll see where things kind of head as we continue this morning. I put on some music in the background. Let me know what you guys think. I'm trying to keep it a little chill on the background with the music, and hopefully that could be good. Looks like OGI is cracking down. Let's see what's going on with WAFU here. It's another one I was looking at this morning, WAFU. So this is also in a key area right now. Looks like it wants to get back above VWAP. We can see it kind of squeezing into VWAP from the up and from the bottom here. So this looks pretty interesting. I would be probably interested in making a potential play on this. I'm gonna wait to see if it can hold above 215, and we can maybe potentially jump in here at 215. There looks like, let's see if this can hold here above 215. I'm gonna take a quick look here at level 2. We should be able to see the level 2 data on your screen as well now on the bottom right. So let me know what you see there. So I'm looking to potentially enter WAFU. I'm gonna wait and see what happens. Maybe potentially looking for the 9 EMA to roll over the VWAP before I make a jump in. If you're tuning in, let me know in the chat where you're tuning in from, what you're watching this morning. Looks like WAFU just took a huge beating as well. So doesn't look like anything's opened up this morning. There we go, 7 a.m. See if we have anything of substance for us to jump into this morning. So we got AIHS just popping up on my scanner. Let's see if we can catch AIHS. Ooh, this took, okay, the AIHS just ripped up nicely. Let's see if we can catch a move on AIHS here. Let's see if it comes back towards VWAP, and I'm going to try to play a bounce off the VWAP, potentially around 320 if it gets there. Until then, I'm just going to wait and see. Ooh, there it goes. There's a nice push there. It's coming right back down. Touching it again. Ooh, just rocked right through again. Okay, let's see what we can do. You guys trying to get in on this? Looks a little weak right now. Let's see. Let's see what we can do here. It's kind of guesswork right now. It's a little too weak. I'd like to see this volume pick up. Maybe under two. Maybe if it gets back around 290, take a stab potentially on AIHS. Can see the level 2. I believe you guys can see the level 2 now as well. Kind of see what's going on there. Okay, it's finding some support now. Might take a stab here. Let's see, 337. It's kind of risky though. It's kind of still in no man's land. Maybe gets down to 320 at VWAP potential there. Looks okay on the 5 minute. I'm gonna take a small stab here. AIHS. We're jumping in here. See what happens. Taking a small stab. I'm hoping it can hold up. Get back up over VWAP. Don't follow me into trades. Do your own thinking, do your own research, have your own strategy, make your own moves, make your own decisions, and go from there. This is risky business. Trade with what you feel like you can risk to lose and take it from there. Okay. See if we can get a push here out of VWAP. Get some volume on this thing to get us going. I'm watching the level 2. It's looking a little weak right now. Might have to exit. We'll see. See if we can get a push here. Some volume. Okay, there we get a nice push. I think I'm gonna take a exit here. Let's see if we get another push up or not. I'll wait a little longer. Still in the trade for now. Okay, that was a quick rip. Oof, oof. Should have got it. Okay, let's see what happens. I should have got out there, you know. Let's see if we Turns around. That was so quick. That split second decision, waiting, and now you're like, one split second decision, and that's all it takes. Need some volume here. Here at need this to crack out of this, or we're in trouble. Yeah, we're in trouble. It's not looking good. Okay, I'm gonna take an L on this. Yeah, we're gonna get out. Didn't work out. We could have quickly caught a W. Waited split 2 second delay on like, should I get out here? Can it catch a little bit more? And that's all it took. I start with a little bit of a W. It is what it is. Sorry, a little bit of an L. It is what it is. It's like half-second delay on what to do there. That's all it takes. From making money versus losing money. But yeah, if you're tuning in, let me know where you're from. Good morning. Let me see if I can jump back in on this. Maybe above VWAP, I'll take a stab. The last trade kind of didn't work out. See if there's anything else we can look at. What's up, Mike? You're back. Good morning, bro. How are you doing? I try to catch this one. I got in around here. It nipped up for a second. I didn't sell, and then caught me. Let's see what I can catch. What are you looking at this morning, man? Oh, you took a hit on it too? What's up, Kev? Good morning, bro. Glad to have you here. AIHS, did you catch it? Yesterday I had a pretty good day. Today we'll see. You got it? Nice, man. Good work. I waited like an extra second there and I didn't catch it. Although I'm like interested in maybe jumping back in. We'll see. See how this prints here. Can it hold a 9 or not? I want to see if this can hold a 9. This looks like it might. I think this is ready to go. I might take another stab here on it. I'm gonna wait. Not in yet. Let's see if it can hold this 9. It's acting tricky. Can it hold the 9 or not? Man, this thing. I feel like jumping in. I feel like if it wants to go, it would have went by now. Yep. This thing is... There it goes. I'm going to try it here again. Got some volume here. That's looking good. See if we can crack above VWAP here for us. Yeah, I lost on it. We're in the same spot. I jump back in. Let me see if this time I get lucky. Let's see if this can hold the VWAP this time, bro. It's looking a little bit better here. Let me see if this. I want to see the 9 cross the VWAP. That would be great. Volume is slowly coming in again. It's really the only thing that's moving this morning is this AIHS right now. So there's WXM is moving, a couple other tickers, but this one seems to be on the scanner right now. Kev, do you see anything else, man? Anything else popping up on your end that I'm missing? Okay, that looks promising. Let's see if this candle can hold up. Volume is increasing. The volume moving average. Looks like it's trying to find support here on the 5-minute. You see that? Let's see if it can do it. Rejecting it again though. That's not good. Rejected. Let's see if we can turn it around here. No good. No good. Bounce there. So it's finding some support around this $3, $2.90 range. I would have liked it to find support there and push up, but you can see there's so much resistance there at that 340 range. Yeah, I might have to get out of this again. Take another L. Let's see what happens here. If we can get back, if we can get over. It's not looking like it, guys. It's like the mental battle. Do you sell? Do you hold? On the 5-minute, it's trying to hold VWAP. Let's see if it can do that on the 5. Opola, let me know if it starts getting some volume. I'm just going to watch this just because I'm in the trade right now. I'm holding still. There we go. Nice little squeeze up. I want to see this hold here. There's still 2 minutes left on this candle. The 5-minute. Let's go, let's go. We're in the red to start the day. Looks like a whole lot of garbage right here. Here too. Need this to get back up over VWAP and hold would be ideal. WXM popping up $9.10. It's not looking too good, and it's starting to curl. You know what? I'm gonna, man, and then it does that. I'm really thinking about exiting the position. Okay, it's finding support at the EMA 20, which is $3 basically. So that's good. That was a nice little push here. We got 10 seconds left here on the 5-minute. Let's see what happens here. There's a nice little push up. Let's see if it can find support here or not. That didn't look too good. Okay, it's looking a little bit better now. This thing ain't going. I'm gonna get out. It is what it is. Got back to break even on it, so I'm gonna get out. I just don't trust this thing. I feel like if it would have went, it would have went. I just don't. I'm just not trusting this move. I'm probably wrong, but let's see. Just like to me, like there, it made a lower ceiling there on the 5-minute. So that's not looking. You can see the trend is actually going down, and also the volume is going down. So in my opinion, this is looking pretty bearish. Volumes going down, relative volumes down, the trend's kind of on the down. So I think exiting was maybe the right decision on that one. Let's see. I see Wafu. It's also no good. How did you guys do yesterday? I know yesterday, Kev, you didn't trade too much. I don't know, Mike, how was your day yesterday? I got Pola up on the screen for you there, Kev. Low volume, like you said, but we'll watch it. Oh yeah, me too, Mike. Yesterday I had a green day. Today, so far a little red. I think I made the good call on getting out of, excuse me, AIHS. It just wasn't doing anything. Sometimes I guess the win is break even, you know? You could get away from a substantial loss. And sometimes maybe break even is the play there. Sorry guys. Just doing something here on my computer at the same time. Pola now above VWAP on the 5 minute. Looks like Pola wants to go. Some volume is coming in on POLA. Pola looking interesting. Oh yeah. Yeah, if you can do that, like it does make a little bit of moves. That 306 area, there is some support around $3 range. Could be interesting. There, it's going now. It made a push right there, bro. AIHS is making a move right now. I'm watching it on the level 2. Let me pull it up here. It just made a nice little jump. I think it wants to go. We need to see this 9 EMA cross the VWAP, then I would be pretty bullish maybe. But for now, it's kind of ranging like you're saying. Yikes. Rock down to 285. My god. Yeah, see this? This no good. This RVOL no good. Did you get in at 306 or not? Polar power. WXM is moving. Are you guys interested in WXM? It's $9 stock though. I think I'm gonna stay away. Man, AIHS got rocked. Good thing we got out of that when we did. Bro, that thing is getting slammed. Wow, wow, wow. This thing got wasted. Look at this. Good thing we got out when we did. It just looked. For me, a key thing is like, good thing you didn't. Look at that, bro. You would have got demolished. Man, in my opinion, like if a stock's gonna go, you're gonna know fairly quickly. It's gonna be like just moving. The key word in this space is momentum. And as soon as it starts kind of lagging, then you gotta be kind of fearful. If there's one indicator, that's the indicator. And the thing is, that indicator is, you know, I guess you can see that indicator based on like level 2 and stuff like that, but yeah. WXM? Yeah, WXM is moving. Are you trading that? Yeah, WXM is moving. Are you trying to catch this action? I don't know if I'm gonna jump in on this one though. I'll probably stay away. This thing is moving. Couldn't catch it though. FF is up on my screen now. FF. There goes W. Man, this thing's going. Good work. Good work, Ro. Nice work, nice work. I almost feel like jumping into AIHS just based on how beaten up it is. It is finding some support, but this is risky. Finding some support here on the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart, but it's kind of risky. WFF is popping up as well. Oh yeah, AIHS. Let me see what happens here. See if this 9 EMA can bounce off the 50 EMA. If it crosses, then no good. MGIH is popping up. Ooh, wow, what happened here? Did you guys catch this? MGIH? This thing moved. MGIH with a huge move there. Yeah. AIHS no good. AIHS, the 9 crossed the 50, so that was no good. MGIH is moving. Wow, wow, wow. I got MGIH up here on the screen. Just missed an entry on this. Let's see if we can get this. Is moving right now. Is this moving off some news? Why is it moving? I don't see any news on this thing. This thing is going, man. I'm gonna be patient and wait for a pullback for an entry. Let's see if I can get one. Let's see. MGIH right now up on the screen. It is moving very well, looking very bullish. This thing is just rocking, just rolling here. MGIH. Oh, did it? Interesting. I didn't know that. Let's see if it comes back to VWAP, bro. I might be interested. It's trying to hold 250 though, right now. It's doing a pretty good job of holding 250. We'll watch it, I guess. There's not much going on, so we'll watch this. What's up? What's up? Good morning. If you're tuning in, let us know in the chat what you're looking at. There goes bounce off VWAP. I might be interested here, man. Let's see. Crack through. It's gonna hold. Oh, it just never mind. Wow. Wow. Didn't even get a chance to even, potentially enter. Just got rocked. Okay. Let's see if it holds up the EMA 20. On the 1. Coming right back down. Nope. Just failed quickly through that too. And through the 50. Wow. Man, nothing holding up right now. That thing just got slapped. Wow. Now it's struggling to hold $2. Wow. I hope you guys didn't get caught up in that. My goodness. That was horrible. Okay, we got PLAG now popping up on my scanner. What the hell is this? Okay, this one looks interesting. Under $1 might be interesting. Oh, this is rocking and rolling. PLAG. I might take a stab here on PLAG. Watching it right now. Oh man, it's getting up to $1. Moving. Okay, this is too quick. Couldn't get in yet. Let's see if we get a pullback under $1. Let's try to get in. I'm getting in here on it. I got in on PLAG in at 102. Let's see if we get lucky. If we can catch something here. Maybe I was trying to catch it under $1. I couldn't catch it under $1. Then I got in at 102. Let's see. MGIH got rocked. It's at 165 now. Let's see what PLAG does for us. Okay, it's looking pretty bullish. There we go. Come on. There we go. Let's get a new high a day here. Let's go. Let's get a new pre-market high. Oh man, come on, bro. Okay, I gotta get out here. Taking the L. I should have got out earlier. It didn't. Yikes. Should have got out on that wick up. I did not. Yikes. Yeah, you're right. It retraced heavy. I took a gamble. I should have scalped that quickly. I didn't. Ouch. That was tough. MGIH down to 177. Okay, found some support here at 77 cents. I feel like trying it again. Kev, you get into anything yet or nah? I'm gonna try it again. So wiki. Okay, let's go. See if this 9 can get some more volume here. I got back in at 99 cents, slightly up. Looking for pre-market high at 111. Come on, guys, let's go. A lot of sell orders though at 105 on the level 2. If you guys see the bottom right on my screen. Yeah, I got in a small position on it on PLAG. Let's see what happens. I know this wants more. Let's see. I don't like this candle or this one. It's holding, trying to hold VWAP now. There we go. Damn. If it cracks EMA 20, I'm gonna get out of this trade. So under 80 cents. It's about 20-cent risk. Let's see what it does here. So it's building, you see it built support here, trying to find some support here on the 5-minute. See if you can hold above $1 and we should be okay. AIHS popping up 237. What's up? What's up? Good morning. Let me know where you're from in the chat. Where you tuning in from? I got PLAG up on the screen. Watching this in at 99 cents. Got burned on it a little earlier. Trying to jump back in. Slightly down right now again. It's slightly red day today. Yesterday was good. We had 80% winning day. Today not the same so far. Okay. See if this 9 can cross the VWAP on the 1-minute chart. Just crossed it slightly. Sometimes I'm greedy when I shouldn't be, and sometimes I'm not greedy enough when I should be. Like yesterday, there were trades I should have been greedy. I left too much money on the table. And today, maybe I should have scalped quickly and held a little longer, and then trade went the other way. GENK is popping up on the scanner too. GENK. I think this wants to squeeze. It's finding some kind of consolidation around this dollar area. 9 is now nicely above the VWAP. We're still in the trade. Slightly up. See if we can crack this pre-market high would be ideal. Oh man, come on, bro. Why you gotta do that? Why you gotta do that? Might have to get out again. It's not looking too good. Under this EMA 20, I will exit. But this is not looking too good right now. Might even have to exit sooner and take the L. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Man, this thing just ripped now. What's going on? So I don't like to do this, you know, but unfortunately, we're gonna have to air something out here. Obviously, I'm doing the show alone, and that's mainly because Jose hasn't been pulling his part of the thing. You know, I've been pretty quiet, but unfortunately, if you're gonna come in and cause trouble in the chat and this kind of stuff, I don't respect that. You know, you can keep certain things private and move on, and you know, be the bigger man, and that's it. But unfortunately, I'm not gonna air too many things out. But you know, we just had some differences. He wasn't doing his part, and so just kind of gonna do this separately. I gave him an opportunity to jump in and do the show, but you know, consistently not showing up on time and this and that. So it's like it's just not working out. But me personally, I'm not big on social media. I'm just here to trade and take it from there. So it's unfortunate we have this situation, but it is what it is. You guys are also here to trade, and that's really what we're here for. Stack, STAK, getting some volume. Let's see. Okay, cool. I don't know what to do here. Maybe I should exit out of this position. BTAI is also popping up on my scanner. BTAI. Yeah, I'm still in on this PLAG, so I'm just gonna hold it down. Hey, what's up? Good morning. Man, this thing is really like holding me in this trade. I don't know. Okay, we're still in this. thing has been dragging on, but now it's looking kind of bullish. We're still in this PLAG, but didn't cross my 20 EMA sell, so we're still good. But I'm not like feeling it too much. I feel like I should eventually exit this position. Kev, what do you think, man? Should I stay in this or get out? Okay, I'm gonna just get out of this position. I feel like if it should have went by now. It's just been doing shit. If it didn't go by now, it's probably not gonna run right now. Of course. As soon as I sell, it makes a nice little move. Come on, man. Damn. Of course. Come on, man. Bro, I wish I listened to you. If I held like literally 5 more seconds, look. 5-10 seconds. Oh man. I got impatient with it. I got too impatient with it, man. Ah, that's so frustrating. Yeah, no more Jose, unfortunately. He was actually, to be honest with you, he was I personally don't know him. I only met him through YouTube. That's the story, you know. And I was kind of just doing my own thing, and he's like, "Oh, do you want to co-host?" I'm like, "Well, I'm open to it. You know, it would be cool, but like, I just don't know. You know, like, there's a lot of work that goes into this on the back end, right? Like, not only are you having to trade, you got to show up on time, manage the stream, have things to talk about, engage with folks in the chat. There's a lot of work, you know. So I definitely appreciate other folks who have much larger audiences and have been doing this for a while and consistently are showing up and managing it all by themselves, you know, and some are doing it with a collective team. I've seen some channels, fine. So it's not easy, and you know, you don't know really what you're getting into. And then there's the dynamics of, can these two people function together and, you know, add value to not only one another but those who are watching this and that. So fortunately, you know, fairly quickly I could tell that it's probably not the right fit, and that's okay. But it is what it is, you know. To be honest, I don't need this channel. I'm trying to do something on the side, you know. I've been trading for a long time and I've made a significant amount of money, and I could just, you know, keep to myself and do that. I'm really not a social media person, but I realize based on what I'm trying to build, I need to put myself out there, and that's okay. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. And so we're here, you know. And in life, man, you're not going to get along with everybody, and that's okay. Some people are going to, you know, cause problems with you for whatever reason, and that's life. Man, unfortunately, I wish I stayed in this trade. Kev, I wish we didn't have lag on this thing, man. If I saw your message like 5 seconds earlier, I would have stayed in this. I got out too early. Now it's like going the other way. Oh, it would have been up like 25% on this. That's too bad. Let me know what you guys are playing in the chat, and or if there's anything I can pull up. FRTT is moving here. Quickly check out. Oh, this Ford technology moves every little while. Why is it delayed though? I'm finding the interesting. I have to look into what's going on there. FRTT is up at 150 right now. What's up, guys? Good morning. If you're tuning in, let me know in the chat where you're tuning in from and what you're trading this morning, and we can pull it up here on the scanner, on the chart. Sorry. PLAG still moving. FRTT now at 155. Mike, you're quiet, bro. Are you still trading or you went to the gym? Kev, still no positions. Sorry, guys, I'm not seeing any real opportunities here. If I could see something, I'd jump in. I missed this. Kind of underestimated this, and I think we got out around here, and then it decided to wake up. I got out on this red candle, and then obviously the move went the other way. It's cracking now. Oh damn, sorry bro, that's unfortunate. I think today's gonna be a quieter day, maybe. 8 o'clock, we didn't have much news and stuff. What's going on? Oh, CMND popped up, Clear Mind, with some news. This thing spiked up here. Not enough volume though, I'm not even gonna bother. Yeah, a small loss is okay. Clear Mind popped up, not much going on there. I'll get away. I see gold, Mike. Gold is still pushing. PLAG got beat up there a little bit. I got burned on CMND a while ago, man. I bought like way too high, and yeah, I got rocked on that trade. kind of want to take another go at PLAG, but I'm not seeing anything specific to jump into. Damn, what just happened there? Wow, bro, man, so annoying. This stock has been very tricky to trade, man. I can't chase it now. This is this is super tricky, man. Kev, you trying this or not? Did you get in? Did you catch this or no? This been very tricky. Damn, this thing is going. Yeah, too extended. I agree, man. Can't jump in now. It's too much more risk than reward at this point. FRTT's moving again. RKTO. Wow. This thing got rocked. Let's see if this stabilizes. Maybe I can take a stab. I might take a stab on it. The volume kind of low though. Wow, it's getting beaten up, man. Yeah, I was waiting too, but I didn't jump in. I'm gonna avoid this. I feel like I'm just gonna get in trouble if I enter. So I'm just gonna say I'm not gonna I'm not gonna jump in, man. FRTT is moving. I don't know why it doesn't want to. It's showing delayed data on my thing. I gotta fix this later. I'm annoyed. I traded this poorly. Yeah, I have it up on my on Mumu. It's going. It's moving. But it's under VWAP now. FRTT at 175. It ran up, it sold off, and now it's trying to curl back up. This thing wants pre-market high here. PLAG. Buck 43. Pretty quiet so far this morning. I just got it. Buck 46. Man. Played this poorly. FRTT looking interesting. Ten minutes till 8:30. Hey, what's up? Who else is in here? I can see there's some people in here. Who else is in here? Good morning. What you trading? What you looking at? AIHS just moved up to 183. This thing's too rocked for me to jump in. I'm gonna stay away. We'll watch PLAG. I guess I don't really see much else to jump into right now. Sometimes trading, you're just scanning. You ain't really doing much else. looking for opportunities. Man, it's mad. Good morning, good morning. We are slightly red today after a good green day yesterday. Traded PLAG pretty poorly, and now looking for another opportunity, but not seeing anything. ATER is popping up on the scanner here. This thing just got slapped. Man, this is so wicky. Look at these moves on this chart. The action is crazy. This though is way under my 80-cent level. So before I get myself into any trouble, I'm just gonna stay away. Not seeing much else on the scanners here. $8:30 is approaching. Kev, just chilling on your hands, eh, bro? Just waiting. It's one of those days. Okay. While it's kind of slow, I'll be back just before 8:30. I'll be back in a couple minutes here. I'm gonna top up the coffee. We'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back. Still quiet, it seems. See if we can catch some action. Not seeing much opportunities today so far. NCRA, cool, bro. I'm gonna pull it up here too. Would you get some news on this? I don't see no news. Oh, you just like where it is. Yeah, it's a little slow right this minute. PLAG is getting slapped on the downside. Absolutely getting slapped. Okay, so there's some news on it. You got that news from Stock Titans? That's where it popped up? Okay, got it. Chart is stale, and the level 2 is also kind of stale so far on NCRA. This was $4 earlier? Oh yeah, it did. 419 pre-market high. Maybe this is something to watch around open, potentially. Good morning, folks. If you tuned in, let me know in the chat where you're tuning in from, what you're trading. We are just watching NCRA here on the screen. $2 area, bro. Let's see. You're trying to get it all the way down there? I'll watch it. I'm not sure if I'll trade it. Maybe if it makes a move. It looks like it wants to cross the 200 EMA now here on the 1 minute chart. Maybe this will grind up slowly in CRA. Not really seeing anything to jump into. Kev, you're interested under around the $2 area for NCRA? $2.15, you jumped in. I think this might grind to a thing, man. Not to VWAP. I might follow you in here for a small position in CRA. Took a 225 I got in on NCRA. Let's see what happens. It might be one of those grindy positions. We'll see what happens. Let it do its thing. Good luck to us. I'm in at 225. I'm slightly red. 190? Okay. I feel like this will grind up potentially. It might take some time. Just have to wait on it. PLAG made another move. Now moving. PLAG is now moving. It's making another move here. This thing's been holding VWAP very well, as you can see. Every time it gets to VWAP, it's been holding it VWAP as support. Basically, just under here, but let's count that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it's basically jumped off VWAP on the 5-minute chart. I'm still in NCRA, slightly down. Not much momentum there. Very quiet this morning. Yeah, what happened to Flip Flop? Flip Flop loves shorting. Kev, you do much shorting or not? Not so much. I need to work on my short game, to be honest. Super quiet today, man. It's like, yeah, FRTT looks interesting for sure. QMLS is looking interesting too. QMLS jumping around. FRTT looks interesting at $1.62 now. PLAG up on my screen. FRTT 164 now. FRTT looking interesting. Not really seeing too much right this second. It's quite slow. There goes PLAG with the nice little push up there. Getting some volume there. Let's see NCRA. We're in NCRA. What's going on with it? It's just grinding. This will just let it just kind of cook, I guess. Good luck, man. FRTT 162. Good luck. I think you might be okay, actually. Looks interesting. There goes FLAG. Sorry, PLAG. Oh my God, what a spike there on PLAG. Who caught that? Let me know in the chat if you caught that move right there on PLAG. That was a nice spike up. I was looking to play that. I didn't. Hesitated again. And my goodness, what a move there on PLAG. FRTT looks interesting. FRTT looks interesting. I'm not gonna chase either. Just wait. See if something pops up here on my scanner as we go into 9, almost 9, quarter to 9. Bro, this stock, it's been unfortunate. Missed so many opportunities on this today. Bro, you still in FRTT? It's getting chopped up there a little bit. $160, $159. I'm just not seeing any opportunities to really get into anything that I want to play. I missed this a few times, unfortunately. Is TIM popping up here? Oof. We missed this. Still down on NCRA, letting that cook. STIM is up at 287, STIM. IBG is also popping up at 105. 10 minutes to open. I'm going to go back to STIM. STIM looks a little bit more interesting here. FRTT looks interesting. STIM coming back down. FRTT trying to hold 161. See if you can find some support here at yep, at EMA 20 on the 1 minute chart. Looks like it. STIM's looking interesting, man. Sorry, FRTT. It's holding. I'm gonna take a stab on it. I jumped into FRTT as well at 161. It might be grindy, just like NCRA. WXM back up to 1024. Not catching anything right now. Yeah, it is. NCRA also stale, bro. I might cut my position on it. We'll see. PLAG back down. Wafu doing nothing. RKTO still around 80 cents. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, well, let's see. Hopefully it rips for us. Psycho, what's up? Good morning, bro. How you doing? Mr. Psycho Entertainment. Man, what's going on? It's so slow. Give me something. Today's completely red day. I got into some. I shouldn't have jumped into FRTT or NCRA, but we did. Maybe they'll grind up for us. If not, we'll take the L. It's a red day so far. FRTT, yeah. It's for 152 right now. $154. I think I'm out on FRTT too, bro. It's not doing what it needs to. Just getting slapped today. NCRA will still hold on for now. All we need is one good trade to get ourselves out of the mess. I got out of FRTT. Good luck, man. Okay, 9 a.m. here. CVRX popping up. WXM still going. Stuck in the NCRA, ain't doing shit. I'm gonna go back to PLAG and see if we can find some opportunity on it. It's a little beaten up right now. Because I'm not really seeing much else. We are getting beaten up. Yeah, I'm out. You took an L2, eh, on FRTT? I went against what I usually do, which is just watch the level 2, watch the ticker tape, and if it's too stale, avoid it. But I jumped in and, did not execute properly. It is what it is. See if we can get something in on PLAG here. Okay, NCRA is curling back up. for me. Let's see if we can get out of this hole. Let's see if NCRA can get us out of this hole. Let's see if PLAG can make a move. Let's see what NCRA is doing. Come on, NCRA. I'd like to get this back towards VWAP. If it can grind back up to VWAP, we're looking good. Oh yeah, it's heavy. I know. Massive spread, bro. Holy, so bad. Why did I get in on that? Crazy. It's like what, 20 cent spread basically. That's massive. Yeah, bro, Mike, today has really been a grind, bro. And unfortunately, took a few maybe ill-advised trades, and they haven't been good, man. I guess you live, you learn, right? Are you up today or not? Mike, you up or down today? I think I must stand up. Give me a second here. I'm here, guys. I'm just moving to the standing desk here. Down red day thus far. Yeah, looks like all of us have a slightly red day. That happens. Every day cannot be green. Okay, I'm here. AIHS got you? I think AIHS caught me earlier too, right? I got clapped on that. That was my first trade of the day. Got in at 322, exited for a loss at 306, then jumped back in at 320, sold break even at 320. So nothing there. PLAG jumped in on that at 102, then got slapped at 90 cents, then jumped back at 99 cents, got out at 102, and ended up running to 125 literally 2 seconds after I sold. So unfortunate on that one. Then NCRA and FRTT, kind of ill-advised trades on my behalf, but you know, I thought maybe this, I thought these might grind up. And I jumped on FRTT, but let's see. NCRA can maybe turn around here. It might be very grindy though. Yo, question for you guys. You know the background music? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Like it's okay, it's not interfering. It's pretty, I guess, subtle. I just wanted some kind of like noise in the background. Otherwise, I feel like maybe the stream gets a little too quiet when I'm not talking. Music is good? Okay, perfect. We got that morning coffee cafe vibe. Kev, you slightly red today too, man? Bro. Yeah, it's okay, bro. As long as it's not a big position, it happens. Let's see. Maybe we get lucky here in the open. Maybe NCRA decides to move. Are you still in NCRA? I picked up Riot last night for a swing trade. RIOT. You might cut it? Yeah. I'm gonna see if maybe I should cut it too. I'm at break even here, so. I got into Riot's. Let's see what Riot is doing. So I jumped into Riot yesterday on some news. Slightly down on that trade right this minute. Although the 50 minutes looks okay. Oh, NCRA just gave us a little spike up. Did it? Yeah, let's see what happens there in open. It's going now, bro. Look. It's making some slight little moves here. Yeah. Let's look at it on this. It's a little bit more to see here on the 15-minute chart. It's moving. Ticker tape's still a little slow though. You can see it on the bottom right of my screen. Time in sales. Okay, let's see. Let's see if NCRI can dig us out of this hole. "17 minutes till open." Can't win them all, you know. Can't win them all. Yeah, here we go. Let's see if we can. Let's see if this can get us close to VWAP. That would be great. The spread is massive, though. Look at this. Did the spread just increase? I feel like the spread just got worse. GLE popping up on my scanner here. I'm gonna switch to that real quick. $0.77. This looks interesting. We'll watch GLE. It's a little low for me, but maybe if it makes a pre-market high here. But we are 50 minutes till open, so have to be mindful. Still in NCRA. We are red today. If you're just tuning in, let me know in the chat where you're trading from, what you're looking at today. Are you red? Are you green? And Monday to Friday, I'll be here 7 to about 11. If it's fairly slow, I will cut off early. But outside of that, I'll try to stay on as long as possible if it makes sense. Ooh, this thing is moving. You can see this on the bottom right. Time and sales, level 2, moving nicely. Spread is not much, so that's good. NCRA, we're up now to 0.6% on that. Hopefully that can cook us and get us out of this hole we're in. What do you guys think of GLE? Interested or not? I want to see if it can crack pre-market high. It looks like it's about to. Looks like it wants to. I think it wants to crack pre-market high here, man. GLE. Should I take a stab? Hey, NCRA is slowly grinding up here. Should we take a stab here at GLE? Hey, nice. Good work, man. Good work, Kev. I'm gonna hold on for a little longer. Hopefully I don't get bit. Just watching GLE. FRTT back to 140 area, 145. We got out at a good time, I think. I'm thinking of taking a stab here on GLE. But it's 10 minutes to open, you know, so I don't think it's gonna be wise to do so. And I think I'm gonna close my NCRA trade as well, just because we're heading into open. I don't want to take any unnecessary loss. So I'm going to close NCRA and get out of that trade too, and stay positionless going into open. I'm going to switch back to PLAG. This ain't doing nothing right now. Okay, we're just going to chill and see what the open brings us. Ooh. BWEN popping up here. And VIVK also. I'm going to switch to VIVK real quick. Damn. Today hasn't been too good. Small wins, a couple of, I think, a break even, one massive L. That's about it. Yeah, HS popping up again. Five minutes till open. Gonna chill and wait till open. Okay, 3 minutes till open here. Yeah, I already got out NCRA. You're still holding a little bit of NCRA, right? Maybe I should have held some more. It's going now. I think this one, like, it's one of those grindy trades, bro. It might just take a while for it to kind of do what it needs to do. Cool, cool. Good luck, man. I think it can get back up to 250 soon. Let's see what open does for it. Yeah. The spread is also heavy. 12-cent spread now. Although the spread looks like it decreased a bit. Actually, it was worse before. This QMCO just moved. Good morning to those who are tuning in. We are getting into market open in 1 minute here. Yeah, let's see what happens with AIHS. I'm going to look at it as well. We are 1 minute from market open. And the market is ready to rock, ready to roll. We're ready to go here. Let's see what happens with these tickers. Okay, AIHS looks interesting, man. AIHS is looking interesting. I might take a small position here on AIHS. Might be early on it, but we'll see. Ooh. See if we can get wick up on AIHS. Might have been too early on it. This I got in early, you know. This premature jump in. I should have waited till 9:35, see what orb levels are before I jumped in, but it's okay. It's not looking good right now. GNK pushing. Okay, I gotta get out of AIHS. Didn't work out. Took another L. It's not happening today. AIHS no good. Got out. Take an L. Move on to the next one. Stim is popping up. Let's look at Stim. Ooh, Stim is looking good. I'm still watching, bro. I don't see anything at this second. There's a lot of noise. And I caught a bunch of L's today, so it is what it is. What's up, guys? Good morning. If you're tuning in, we are having a red day. But welcome to the channel. Yeah, lots of noise, bro. Nothing really interesting. I need to be a little bit careful with my next entry because I'm not really catching anything. I'm just getting burnt here. It's PLAG again. Okay, PLAG trying to see if PLAG can get out of this orb level, crack up above it. Maybe then it's a potential to jump back in. All things considered, not down too bad. Like 20%. Like it is a lot, but could be worse. For the, we've taken 4 losing trades, and to be only down 20% is not too bad considering the situation. Let's quickly check my gold trade, now up to 87. So this is still moving in the right direction. That's good. What's going on with SPY? SPY a little bit on the downside right now. Let's switch quickly here to Riot we just got into yesterday. Let's take a quick peek. This thing is getting beaten up a little bit. I entered a little high yesterday, around 24 bucks. So slightly down on that. We'll switch back to PLAG, which is PLAG. It seems to be hanging around this orb level. What is this MSGY popping up? I don't want to switch because I want to see what's going on with this for potential entry here on PLAG. Might take a stab here on PLAG. See if it can crack out an orb. Let's see if we can get a volume spike on this thing. There it goes. I'm going to take a position here on PLAG. Let's see if got in a little early, but let's see. Let's see if the gamble plays off. See if this gamble is going to pay off for us on PLAG. Let's see if it can hold above VWAP and push above high at day, which is at 119. Pre-market high is all the way up at 168. Need to get out of this small channel, orb channel. We're in at 118. Need some more volume here. See if it can curl back up for us. Well, lots of sell there. New high day 120. Kev, you in anything or still just chilling? It's tough right now, man. There's no easy entries. Ooh, I like this. Let's see if it can push and hold, get out of this range. Such a tight little range here. So much friction. Oh man, that's not good. It's having a hard time cracking high day, and high day is like right up against orb high, which is at 117. High day is at 120. And then you got orb low at 104. Oh, that's not good. We're still in. Maybe a little early on the entry on PLAG, but it is what it is. Not looking good right now, man. Still holding PLAG. Yeah, it did. Volume definitely did right here. Bro, it's tough today, man. Maybe I have to just call it an L and walk away. It's not looking good on the 1 minute. I think I'm gonna take an L again. going to exit here. You took AIHS? I just got back out of PLAG. Today's not working out. Yeah, I'm going to be right back here. Back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. PLAG is messing around. FRTT moving now? Yeah, look at it, 160. You see some people wait till the first 15 minute, right? After or opening range, first 15 minutes. So after 9:45, then some people start piling in. It's tricky, you know. Sometimes the news catalyst doesn't move it right away during pre-market. It moves it for maybe an instance, but not as much as you want it. Then after open, it starts to rip. The volume comes in. Yeah, exactly. I didn't see much right now. One of those. It's a tough day today. PLAG. PLAG is looking so interesting, man. I feel like this wants to move. I feel like this will move. I feel like taking another stab at it. Ah. It's looking okay on the 1 minute too, man. Just needs to get up over this high a day at 120. Here comes some volume. It's ready to go. I think this wants to go. Maybe I should take a stab here. Look at that. Just makes a new high day, then comes right back down. I think it's ready to go, man. I don't want to force it. I feel like if it should have went by now. It's only it's the high days just nipping up slightly. I'm gonna avoid. What's this 10x? Popped up on my scanner here. 10x. Moving. Broke out of orbs, looking okay on the one. Fighting resistance, high day 173. Watching 10x on the screen right now. Might call it early today, bro. If I don't get much here, might be a early day. Yeah, I think might call it an early day in the next little while if can't really catch anything. Avoid more losses and over trading, trying to turn things around. You lost on AIHS as well. Damn. It's been a tough day. Let's go 10x here. 10x moving. Yeah. Mike, how you doing? Did you turn it around? Did you get back to green or not, bro? Might have to take the L today, man. Yeah. We're having a tough time today. There goes 10x again. It's just not enough momentum on anything to really get it going. It goes for a little bit and then they come right back down. Try to force a few things, didn't work out. It is what it is. $2. What's NCRA at right now? Let's see. $221. It came right back down, huh? Jeez. There's nothing's holding up, bro. I think today's one of those days where don't kind of overtrade and come back tomorrow, fight another day, you know? This 10x looked interesting. I didn't jump in though. Wafu? Wafu's not showing up on the top gainers no more. Got MGIH popping up. that's popping up. Just trying to cross orb now. Not seeing anything worthwhile. PLAG back to 106. FRTT 154. Stim $3.28. Just not looking too good today to be a bull. And there's just not much in any of these trades. Nothing sustaining on the upside. Everything getting pretty beaten up. SpaceX is down today. AVGO down. Google down. NVDA slightly up at a 1% up. Amazon's down 1%. SK Hynix is up 3.5%. Kind of a stale board. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Wafu's also volume not really too good. We shouldn't force it, you know? If it's not happening today, it's not happening. Take the L and come back tomorrow. Hey Kev, I think I'm gonna call it, bro. There's not much going on, and I don't want to risk losing anymore. Come back tomorrow and try it again. I'll see you. I'll see you in the chat in the Discord. For those tuning in later, you guys can catch us in the Discord. I do swing trades there as well. And back here tomorrow at 7 a.m. we'll give it another go and see how it goes. Mike, thanks for tuning in, bro. Catch you guys tomorrow. You know, don't go any more red than you have to. You know, if the market's not giving us opportunities, we really can't create our own opportunities. So our job is just to get some crumbs where we can. But today everything is looking pretty stale. So, you know, sometimes it's just best to just walk away, and it is what it is. So that's what I'm gonna do, and hopefully we can make it a better day tomorrow. Anyways, you guys have a good day. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.